Nah, go this you, baby. Wine. I'm out.
Yeah. Blessed love and greetings, all of my viewers and subscribers, all of my families, my Lionfoot families. I hope all is well. I don't know if you haven't subscribed yet, please do and click the bell. Yeah, man, first and foremost, I want to say blessed Sabbath and, open out the right precautions and following the right procedures regarding this coronavirus and take care of yourself and on the family. No, Vybz Kartel is in trouble again with the law, you know what I mean? It's a Vybz Kartel to be sanctioned over contraband seizure. And yesterday, the 27th of March, was my nephew's birthday. So big up Clive for your birthday. My nephew love and respect saying more life and prosperity. So Vybz Kartel went live. And I got the video yesterday, but I never get to do it said time. To share it with you guys said time because I was at work. I know as a key worker, I have to still be out there working for the citizens of the UK. Yeah, man. So, Vybz Kartel went live. Why did he go and do something so stupid? I class that act as mediocre. To me, is it a sign of boredom? Is it a sign of frustration? Is it a sign of seeking attention because everything is going on with the coronavirus? So, or is it a sign of giving up on his appeal? Bad news. I don't know. But why did he go and do something so stupid? Went live for a couple seconds with Russian singing a song off his album Tanisha. You know what I mean? Nah, got this you pay. You see me? Why did he go and do that? So, if I didn't go live, if I even for a couple seconds, people, his page is highly watched. And people are saying shouldn't have phone, people are saying this, people are saying that, and why prisoners are allowed phone inside. You know what I mean? Yeah, so they're not allowed to use phones, see? But prisoners still have them phone, get them phone coming somewhere, somehow, either by the warder or the female them. You know what I mean? Push it up in them dong dang dang. I don't know what I mean. And bring it to the water them, you have some corrupt water as well. But some people do take disadvantage. Something like with Vybz Kartel just do now. You know what I mean? And he caused a lot of other prisoners, his inmates, to be getting in trouble right now and should be sanctioned as well as him. You know what I mean? Because they're not allowed phone and certain other contrabands. Yes, so for Vybz Kartel going live with Russian for that few seconds, the police were informed and instructed straight away to go and conduct a search, which they did and were successful. But I did my research and see it on the Gleaner and the Star, and I'm gonna read a few paragraphs for Uno, as usual as I normally do. Yeah, man, so big up on yourself. But Kartel, why you gonna do that, man? Why? The Department of Correctional Services, DCS, says it has found contraband in the cell of some prisoners following a search this morning. The search was conducted following reports that an inmate was involved in a live stream on a popular social media platform, Instagram. It is alleged that the dancehall artist Vybz Kartel is at the center of a probe now taking place. The DCS said that the inmates in whose cells contraband were found will be sanctioned. The department wishes to advise that these actions are taken seriously and efforts are being made to limit a recurrence of this nature, the prison authorities said. Yes, my people said that statement was given by the prison authorities, published by the Star. We don't know where Kartel went and did that, Star. I wonder where him liar them say, where him families them say, fans and everyone's, him kids them, But I'm going to read the Gleaner say. The Department of the Correctional Services says sanctions are to be laid against murder convict Adidja Palmer, better known as Vybz Kartel, following the seizure of a contraband in his cell. Penalties are also to be imposed against other inmates over similar recoveries. The department says it was prompted to conduct a raid of cells after receiving reports that Vybz Kartel was involved in a live stream on a popular social media platform, which is Instagram, with the big producer Russian. Some people are going to play about the video clip for you one more time and want to tell me if I really Vybz Kartel that I sing, yeah? My class this as a dumb and dull move, Big up the Gaza fans, they might backlash me, but me no care.
Nah, go this you, baby. Wine. I'm out.
Yeah. Run some people no convince of Vybz Kartel that or somebody that using page. Yo, what if I rush and draw out the man? As you can see, it was on Russian page, and you can see it's a live, and the viewers count keep rising and rising, you know what I mean? And Yo, Cartel, what kind of move that, bro, God? You see me? I also the comments, and I can see the comments and I grew and roll up art emojis, and you know, people are saying, yo, BBC and Bongo Cat, and one person saying, Gleaner man in it, really, make the Gleaner and the Star paper. You see me? So, I just said the thing that my people, and you don't know, leaving the views and comments and make me know when you think of this act by Vybz Kartel. I think it was a dumb and stupid act, you know what I mean, and disadvantage, and Vybz Kartel now go under beer payments by the government, and also him fellow inmates, them kind of say Vybz Kartel make them phone get take where them can't reach them family and kids no more, you know what I mean, even though phone is not allowed. You see me I say, but I say a thing go my people. That was my views and opinion, you know what I mean? I don't know, I'm going to cut right, you know, but please like, comment, subscribe and click the bell if you haven't done so, please do, you know what I mean? I don't know, we get the thing real and factual, and who want vex with the truth hurts, you know, care, big up on yourself. I'm out.
Global human reduction, don't trust the government, them a corruption. To get rid of us, them have no option, but to release a virus.